MIR stands for MIR Medical International Research, and it's an Italian company, 100% Italian. All our products are 100% manufactured in Italy, and we work in the spirometry field. And we do spirometers, we do pulse oximeters, and we do worldwide telemedicine projects in different fields in the telespirometry and telepulse oximetry field. And we have our headquarters are based in Rome, Italy, and we have some branch offices. One branch office is in the United States, another branch office is in southern France. With this structure, we actually are able to sell with success, and always more success every year, in 93 countries worldwide. And we are really specialized in what we do. Then we have another handheld product, which is called Spirodoc, which you can see on the wall directly there. The Spirodoc is a multifunctional, multi-purpose lab, which with a touchscreen display. It's a device that has been released in 2010, and it's having great results for what concerns the sales, our sales in the world. What we are really launching this year is the SpiroLab, the new version of the SpiroLab. As you can see there on the wall, we have a great device, which is a SpiroLab 3, and a new version of the SpiroLab. So the new version of the SpiroLab is a color device with a printer and with a touch screen and color display, and it will be a very interesting device, since that this kind of device enters in what we call the desktop range of spirometers. And believe it or not, the desktop range of spirometers, even though it could seem a little bit old-fashioned compared to the handheld ones, will represent 80% of the turnover that MIR achieves every year. This is a unique product in the world. This is called Spirotel. As you can see, is a very small device, and it's a device that MIR realized especially for what concerns the telemedicine market. And when we speak about telemedicine, there are actually two different markets. There's the market for home care and the market for hospitals. So the market for hospitals will be general practitioners that will probably send the data to some specialized doctor to have a result. And home care will be a market for devices to be brought home by the patient and send the data directly to the doctor, which can interpret the data and communicate back the results to the patient in real time. Now, this device here works in the home care environment. And the basic features of this device is that it's extremely easy to use. It has a touchscreen display with very simple icons and buttons. So when you turn it on, it will ask, the patient will only see two different icons. It will see spirometry or oximetry, and the patient can actually choose what kind of test he wants. And besides this, it also has the possibility to have an e-diary, which is fully customizable, and the patient can answer some questions on the e-diary, and the doctor can follow up the condition of the patient according to the answer he has given. So what is interesting is that on one side, the device is very simple for what concerns the interface for the patient interaction. So he will interact with a very simplified environment. On the other side, so on the doctor's side, once it's downloaded by the cloud, the results will be much more detailed in order for the doctor to follow up the patient in all the results that he can have. I just wanted to take an advantage to say that one of the main markets that we're working at the moment, and it is luckily still developing for the Spirotel, is the transplant market. So this device is given to the patients that have undergone a surgery operation for lung transplantation, and this device is capable to monitor by performing a spirometry test one parameter, which is very much important to analyze the possibility of rejection. This parameter is called the FEF2575. So by monitoring this parameter on a 5-year basis, you will know in advance if a patient is risking a rejection after transplantation or not. So, and we're working with this with all the major hospitals in Europe. You can find, of course, this information on our website, which is www.spirometry.com.